Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now guys, we are here again in Baharin Bay. We are here again guys and Baharin Bay. Ayan po yung sign ng flag ng Bahrain, yung color red, white. Yan po ang sign kasi today is National Day pa po. They have a 3 days national Bahrain National Day until 19, and then makikita nyo po yung yung mga color ng lights, white and red. Ayan po ang sign na Bahrain flag. Pakita ko po sa inyo yung mga lights. This is the color of the Bahrain Bay. That one, makikita nyo po yan, yung mga white and red. Ayan po is red. Karamihan po sa kanila is color red today. Kasi hanggang 19 po ang kanilang Bahrain National Day. Ayan guys. Ayan, look at that. It's like a color of the flag. Ayan po ang sign ng Bahrain flag. Ayan guys. At yung mga fountain po is red again. Ayan guys. Nandito kami again guys sa Bahrain Bay. Naglalaro po outdoor yung mga bata again and again. Pero napakaganda po ng view. Doon po sa labas, ang daming mga parang Christmas light na all color red and white. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng fountain.
What's in my box?
Kalas, patuma. You make trouble, ha? I want to see the color red of the fountain. Ayan, the fountain is red now. Ayan guys, ang lamig na po. Tamo, naka-jacket kaming lahat. Nandito po kami again sa Bahrain Bay.
I want to get
Okay, later. I will call you. Okay? Yes. Ayan guys, ang color ng Bahrain National Day. Ayan po. Napakaganda ng color, 'di ba? Ayan. Sa labas lalo guys, maraming mga color ng red and white. Ayan parang sign siya ng flag. Ayan yan po ang color ng flag ng Bahrain. Is white and the color white and red. Ayan, ganyan. Symbol ng flag. Ayan. Yan po ang symbol ng flag. Ayan guys. At nandito po yung alaga ko. Nagduduyan ulit. Kalas? Ha? At sabi ko sa kanila, pag gumawa ako ng trivia, wag nila akong iistorbohin kasi ayaw ko na isama sila sa akin trivia kasi napapanood na po ito ng family nila. Family, boss family, nanonood na po sila kasi alam na po ng family na ako po ay isang vlogger. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, they know now guys. Kaya careful ako sa aking pagbo-vlog. Ayan. Ayaw kong makita sila sa aking video. Ayan guys. Iniingatan ko po na wag nila akong mapagalitan. At ayaw ko na makita ng mga amo ko na kasama ang mga bata sa aking vlogs. Ayan. Nandito po kami until now. 1 hour po kami ulit dito maglalaro. Ayan guys. Maganda sana magmasyal doon. Kaso wala yung amo ko Nandun yung boss ko. Umalis. Bibili daw yun ng gamot. Kasi masama na yung ngayon dito guys. Taglamig na. Kaya lahat kami nagkakasakit. Makati sa lalamunan. Ayun. You don't like? You will go down, Fatuma?
Huh?
You will go down? Okay. Why you call Rakan? Huh? Ayan guys, nandito pa kami until now. At isang oras kami mag-aantay kay boss. Kakain po kami sa labas. At pupunta kami sa groceries. After this, we will eat dinner outside. At plano ko po pong bumili ng pang salad on Christmas para naman po mag-celebrate ako ng aking holiday. On Christmas, gusto ko pong gumawa ng fruit salad at ano ko po sa inyo ang paggawa ko ng fruit salad. Ayan guys, antayin nyo po ang aking trivia about that. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng view sa labas. Ayan oh, napaka-colorful, all red, diba? Tapos yung nadaanan namin kanina, puro sila Christmas lights na color red and white and gold, mga ganyan. Ang ganda ng view, no? Ayan po ang symbol ng Bahrain flag. Color white and color red. Ayan. Nandito po sa katabi ko yung aking alaga. Iniingat ko yung aking camera na wag siyang makita. Kaya pinipigilan ko po na wag siyang wag ma-focus yung aking camera sa kanya. Okay, go down, Fatuma. Give chance to Rakan. Wait. Okay? Okay, Rakan. Ayan, yung isa ko namang alaga ang magduduyan, guys. At hindi siya marunong, mabigat yung katawan niya. Kaso hindi ko siya pwedeng ipakita sa inyo sa camera. Kasi, bawal. Iuugoy ko na lang siya. Ano siya yung hindi marunong magduyan, kailangan siyang i-push. Kailangan siya guys i-push. Kaso hindi ko siya pwedeng ipakita sa inyo. Kasi bawal. Diba guys? Bawal guys. Ayan, Rakan. Put it up your feet, Rakan. Put it up your feet. I want to show you the fountain. The fountain is there. Yala. Put it up your feet. You're heavy now, Rakan. Ang bigat eh. Put it up your feet. Put it up. Your feet. Hindi marunong magduyan tong gago na to. Put up. Up, Rakan. You don't like? Huh?
No, wait.
What? You don't like? Why?
Oh,
You don't like, Kalas? You call Fatuma. You call Fatuma. Maybe she want to make sing. You don't like? Okay, Rakan. There's somebody now. You play there, Rakan. You play there, you play. There is somebody now. You cannot swing. Ayan, naunahan na siya. May naglaro na ng duyan. Ayoko pong ipakita sa inyo yung pagduduyan ng mga bata kasi mapapanood to ng aking madam. Makikita niya to sa kasi nanonood na sila guys. They will start playing my videos now because they know that I'm making a video. That's why they visit me every day in my vlogs. At yan, ang ganda ng Windham Grand. Ayan, ang taas po niyan guys. Sa taas, napakataas ng hotel na yan. At may kalachuchi. Yung kalachuchi guys, oh. Ito ang kalachuchi. This is the kalachuchi. Ayan, oh. Kalachuchi. This one. Kalachuchi. Ayan guys, ang ganda diba? Yung color red now, the Twin Towers. It's color red for now. Ayan. Ayan guys. We will wait for our bus and then my boss are in the pharmacy. Ayan, nakakuha na siya ng kalaro. Ayan, nag-enjoy na sila. Tatakbuhan na sila. Okay, you play, Rakan. Play. Go, Rakan. Ayan. I will show you the fountain, guys. Gusto ko yung kulay red na fountain. Madalas po kami dito. Ayan, kukunan ko yung I will show you the fountain. Ayan, oh. Show you the fountain, guys. Here's the fountain, guys. Oh my God. Okay, Rakan, you play. Don't go alone, ha? Oh, they stop. Rakan, they stop. Operate, Rakan, operate. You operate, Rakan. They stop. We will go?
He open.
Huh? It's okay, it's okay. You open also, you open. You make, yeah, like that. Ayan. Oh, nag-close na. Ayan po yung Windham. Oh, Windham Grand. Windham Grand Hotel. It's very high. It's very high up above. Very high. Ayan. Rakan, they close already. You play there. Yala, they close the fountain. Yala, Rakan. They close already the fountain.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah. They close. You want to go bathroom? Okay, go. Where will you go, Patum? Wait, pupunta daw siya sa bathroom. Kailangan kong sundan ng aking alaga. Stay here because I will go to Fatuma, okay? You play there. Okay? Okay. Ayan, pupunta daw siya ng bathroom, guys. Ayan, guys, o tingnan nyo yung Windham Grand. Very high. It's very high up there. Ayan, nagsarado na po yung Coffee Republic. It's closed now. Ayan po ang aming pinuntahan na palaruan. Ayan po ang aming palaruan na pinuntahan. Here, over here. Ayan, guys. Tamo yung color ng yung color ng Bahrain flag is like that. The red one. At yan yung views. Ayan. Ay! Oh my God! I'm shocked. Ayan o. Oh, see? The fountain is over. The fountain is here. Gusto ko yung red. Wow! Rakan, don't go alone. It's nice. It's nice. Don't go there. Only in the back. In my back. Wow, very nice. I want the color red, Rakan. Yeah, the color red. Yay! Nice! Nice, oh, Fatuma. Ooh! Yay! Yay! I love it. I love it, guys. I love it. Yay! I love it. Wow! Wow! It's nice. It's nice to be happy. Ayan na, guys. Tapos na po. Pupunta na ako sa aking alaga. At maglalaro sila. Hanggang dito na lang, guys. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And my channel. Bye. I love you all.